Let's create. Bare ground meat. Bare ground meat. And I'm going to do something interesting. I'm going to prepare some sliders. And please, one thing I wanted to tell you from the get-go, you got to handle bare meat, properly, because and you have to cook it correctly because it can carry trichinella. So you just have to make sure you cook it right, okay? Prepping this meat. Let me break it down somewhat. Friend of mine gave me this. Hey, Bob, thank you for the gift. One of my Marine Corps friends. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. So what I'm going to do, salt, black pepper, I like to put some garlic, but I like to mince it. You can use garlic powder if you want to, but I like the kick of the garlic. So about 2 or 3 teeth of garlic should be sufficient. That smells delicious, huh? 2 or 3 small teeth of garlic. Then I like to add, because this is very lean meat, a couple drops of extra virgin olive oil. I say a couple drops, but I mean like 4 or 5 drops. Then I mix everything up. That's simple. Oven friendly container. I'm just going to put it here. I'm going to get this baby in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, okay? And before I put it there, I kind of manually shape it to be about the same size of the breads, okay? (350 degrees Fahrenheit). Let it go for about 20 minutes, okay? Maybe 15, 20, you have to check it. Just make sure it's cooked, okay? Let's put it for 20. I have some buns here, perfect for sliders. What you're going to do, you're going to cut them in half. Very nicely. And have them ready, okay? Hot peppers, by the way. You don't have to do this. You can use any type of hot pepper. I'm going with habanero and I'm going with poblano. And you're just going to cut them. Let me get the seeds out. And I'm going to cut them in thin rounds, okay? Then I had the poblano. Then to have some spice too. While the bear cooked in the oven, I rinsed the peppers to get some of the seed out using some cold water in the sink. Put the bottom of the bread here ready in another container. And I'm going to melt some butter, okay? I'm I'm going to melt some butter. 20 minutes later, I think I'm going to let it go for another 5, maybe 7 minutes, okay? Because I see I'm not comfortable with 20 minutes. It's bare meat. So let's do another 5, 7 minutes. I want to add some spinach. So I'm going to put it first. Going to add the meat. Going to add some of the peppers. You don't have to go crazy. Get this baby hot and spicy. Hot and spicy, huh? Optionally, you can add some cheese. American cheese, huh? And I'm going to cover these babies. Hey, sometimes they break. And they're going to go back to the oven, okay? They're going back to the oven. 350 degrees. And I think I'm going to do maybe for 15 minutes or so. But before I do that, let me put some butter on top. Get that baby buttered up, huh? Buttered up. To the oven. Let's do about 10, maybe 15 minutes, okay? 7, 8 minutes later, I'm going to get them out, okay? And now what you do is cut them. Cut them like this and cut them like that, okay?